Hello and welcome to the 3-minute Quran study, the place where we confront Islam with some real scholarship. Today we will be looking at the Arab script. Here is a random example of an Arabic phrase taken from the Quran, Surah 91 verse 4 to be precise. What is immediately striking to the Western eye are all the dashes, squiggles and dots. The dashes and squiggles indicate the placements of vowels in a word. That is something we know from other Semitic scripts as well, for example Hebrew or Aramaic. The peculiar thing about the Arabic script is its polyvalence. That means that many consonants cannot be distinguished without the help of the little dots we can see here, which can be placed either above or below a letter. The number and placement of the dots then tells the reader which consonants they are dealing with. Of the 28 consonants in the Arabic language, only 6 of them have unique signs. The remaining 22 consonants share many of the same signs between them. A glyph like this can, for example, morph into many different letters. While this state of affairs is certainly strange, with the addition of the dots it doesn't really matter. Everything can be read just fine. Unfortunately, this wasn't always the case. The Arabic script we know today really evolved in tandem with the Quran itself, and the earliest Quranic manuscripts have barely any dashes, squiggles or dots. That means that we are looking at sequences of consonants without any indication regarding vowel placement. What's worse, without the little dots, we don't even know which consonants we are looking at. Take this for example. Here we are looking at 3 consonants, but without knowing which vowels to put where and which consonants are even depicted, there are lots of possible interpretations of what we are looking at. The word here is girl. No wait, it's house. No, it's definitely prove. Okay, that wasn't it either, it's decide. And now it's bounce. Now imagine the entire Quran being originally composed of words just like this. No dashes, no squiggles, no dots. Each word can be interpreted in many different ways. Each sentence can hold countless different meanings. In fact, it took many centuries for the dashes, squiggles and dots to be added until we ended up with the Quran as we know it today. Adding these marks was in essence an interpretive act by later generations of Muslims. At this point you may ask yourself, how then can we even be sure what the Quran originally said? That's a great question. The fact of the matter is that we can't. Although there is an argument for why we may still be able to salvage most of the conventional wisdom regarding the contents of the Quran. That argument is the oral tradition which supposedly preceded any written form of the Quran. But that's something we will look at in the next episode. Thanks for watching and see you next time.